I want to take care of one sum which explains change in the profit sharing ratio between the partners. This is a small sum on reconstruction of partnership. Look at this sum. Raju, Raja and Ram are the partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 3:3:4. All partners decided to change their profit sharing ratio for future, and it is agreed to be 3:5:12. Find the gain / sacrifice of share in profits by the partner. There should not be ED. Find the gain / sacrifice of share in profits by the partner. First, I will work out the sacrifice or gain, whatever it may be, by using the sacrifice formula. That is old share in profit minus new share in profit. Here, old share in profit is 3:3:4. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10, 3/10. 3/10 and Ram 4/10. New profit sharing ratio 3:5:12. So 3/20. 3 plus 5 plus 12, 20. 5/20 and 12/20. This is how I have written the old share in profit and new share in profit. Share in profit before reconstitution and share in profit after reconstitution. I want to use the sacrifice formula. So share sacrificed by a partner is equal to old share in profit less new profit share. So 3/10 minus 3/20. So if I want to have a denominator of 20, it should be 6. 6 minus 3. 3/20 is the sacrifice of Raju. Now let us work out for Raja. Formula is same. Old share 3/10 minus 5/20. 3/10 means 6/20. 6 minus 5. 1/20 sacrifice. Now I have to work out for Ram. Old share 4/10. 12/20. 4/10 means 8/20. 4 twos are 10 twos are. So 8 minus 12 minus 4/20. Negative sacrifice means gain. So here Ram has gained. So what's the observation? The negative side signifies that Ram has not sacrificed, but he has gained share in profit. Now as you know, total of gain is equal to total of sacrifice. So total of gain by Ram is 4/20. Sacrifice by Raju 3/20. Sacrifice by Raja 1/20. 3 plus 1, 4/20. So total of gain is equal to total of sacrifice. And if you want to work out the sacrificing ratio, that is 3:1. So 3:1 is the sacrificing ratio. Notice it. Now I want to explain the same concept by using gain formula. Same is the sum. First I will write down the old share in profit and new share in profit. Old share in profit 3:3:4. 3 plus 3 plus 4, 10. 3/10, 3/10, 4/10. 3:5:12 is the new share in profit. 3 plus 5 plus 12. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 3, 20. So 3/20. 5/20, 12/20. Now share gain. Gain formula is used. New share minus old share. So new share is 3/20. Old share is 3/10. 3/10 means 6/20. 3 minus 6 minus 3/20. So here negative gain means sacrifice. New share 5/20 minus 3/10. 3/10 means 6/20. 5 minus 6/20 minus 1/20. This negative gain means sacrifice. In case of Ram, 12 by 20 minus 4 by 10. 4 by 10 means 8 by 20. So 12 minus 8. 4 by 20 is the gain. So 4 by 20 is the gain of Ram, and this negative gain means sacrifice. The negative sign denotes that Raju and Raja has not gained share in profit but has sacrificed share in profit. Now, as usual, same observation. Total share in profit gain is always equal to total of share in profit sacrificed. So here Ram has gained 4 by 20, sacrificed by Raju 3 by 20 and 1 by 20. So 3 by 20 plus 1 by 20, 4 by 20. So 4 by 20 is the gain and 4 by 20 is the sacrifice. Sacrificing ratio as usual, 3:1. This is how the change in the profit sharing ratio is explained by using sacrifice formula as well as gain formula. The observation under both the methods is same. That is the important point to be noticed by the students. I think you must have followed. Thanks.